I'm not saying I'm a psychic, but look at this video that I made the last trading day. If this here goes up, right? And it rejects up here like this, it shows a clear rejection, and it's slowly inching up again. It's a bad sign. It's kind of a bad sign. Most likely, you can see that. And if it passes this, we're going low. I'm talking. You see that? Did you see that? Okay, so today we ended with 270. Whatever, but that's not it. That's not it. So we made Nvidia 590, okay? Tesla 250, Meta we lost 670. All right. What happened? What the hell happened? Yesterday I called it and it came true. Let's look at it. All right. So as I said yesterday, it was inching up. If it inches up like this, oh wow, okay. I had to fill. All right. Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Oh, still in the market, had some shares in there. So like I said, if it was coming back up pre-market, it would just drop down. And this is the setup that you want to look for regarding to getting in at open. And when I got in at open. Right when I saw it, I seen it come down here actually. What I could have done better was, as it passed this little support, I should have went short a little bit pre-market 2 minutes before the open. But I shorted it. It was the probability of you, like I've seen it tons and tons of times before. So the probability, just short it. You don't really need to look for, I mean, you could wait for these signals, that would be better, but anyways, it fell down, caught this whole move, guys. This whole move. I got out, right? I got out here. Like, that's what you're supposed to do. Take your profits. But the thing is today, my target was down here. And if you look, let's see why my target was down there. Look, how that would have made more sense to me, you know? Like when it stopped short here, you know, you're thinking, well, it's gonna come up and go back down. I mean, that's what usually happens, right? So what I did is, as it went up here, I shorted. You know, I didn't wait for a wick. I didn't wait for nothing. I just shorted, right? I shorted at VWAP. I said, well, I'll take it up to VWAP. And yeah, it blasted right through, right? And, you know, as a trader, you don't want to give up quite yet. Like, okay, hold on. Just hold on, right? Just hold on. But then it wicked down here. I was like, oh, okay, I might have a chance. All right, might have a chance. You know, I'll give it to up here, right? I'll give it to up here. But it bounced here, and what did I do? I did whatever. The worst a trader can do is just hold on to your position on a losing position. That's what I did. So I was like, okay, maybe a wick here, maybe a wick here. Oh, it wicked down. Oh, wait. Oh, it can't go any higher. It can't go any higher than this, right? Like, this is what we need to overcome. So I'm already up big, right? I'm up like a lot. So taking this and this, it sucked, but you know, I was gonna give it to this. So it was coming down. I was like, okay, that's it. that's it. I'm gonna give it to this. All right, my order just filled. That is nice. Yeah, if we look now, we're up 314 today. All right, so I cancel that. Okay, so then it's going down. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm good. I'm safe. This is the top. This is the top, right? Yeah, I'm definitely. If it gets up here, I'm out. And you know, I got stopped out. But what can we learn from this trade? What I should have done, I should have looked backwards to see what the hell is going on. And that's almost always the case. We don't look backwards. We're so fixated on it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop, it's gonna go, it's gonna drop. But if we would have went back, we would have seen, I would have seen, you know, my initial stop was VWAP. So when it blasted through, I should have studied this. Okay, it went up, you know, and it bounced off VWAP, and it just went up. It bounced it also off this structure. See, if it was weak, it would have just went right here and wicked down and kept going down. If it was weak, it would have just wick right here and just went down. But I didn't see that. I'm so fixated on, you know, getting my profits back, and maybe it'll just drop, and maybe this is the top. Usually, yes, that's usually the case when you have a big down move like this. It usually ends up either down here or even lower. But today wasn't that day, and I gave half of my profits back, a little bit over half my profits back, and that's a fail. So Tesla this morning was confusing as fuck, which it shouldn't have been. So we're at this, it jumped up pre-market. This level here was a major resistance level right here. See that? Resistance, support, it was a major area. So then I'm thinking, oh, let's short it. And I did. I shorted in the morning. I shorted it right here. And I took it down. And I was like, that's not gonna hold. You know? That shouldn't hold. I'm gonna give it till down here. Somewhere around 250 something. But it held and it stopped me out. Okay. And I was confused. I didn't know what was going on. I was like, is this gonna go? And I traded around here and it kept stopping me out. But when it got here, I've noticed, okay, this is a lot of wicks right here. This is support. It popped up, formed a structure right here. And when it bounced off this here, it's like that's a good chance. You know, that's a good probability. I went in, held it all the way here. We caught this move. It was a great trade. And I got out here because this was a major resistance too. If you look, the 270, 250, that's crazy, right? I am not lying. I marked 270, 250. That was my mark before it even happened. And look. So, Meta. Let's go to 1 minute. What did I see here? So Meta popped up and I shorted right here. I was looking to get out either here and some here. But as it popped up like aggressively like this, it stopped me out. I didn't expect it. Eventually did go to there, but it stopped me out. This was my stop somewhere right here. But my downfall was shorting here. And I told myself, you know, I'll give it to this little wick right here. Yeah. And then what happened? Then it went up. I was like, oh no, wait. I'll give it to this area right here. Yeah. And it looked good for a second. And then what? You know, I don't put in my stops because you can always get stopped out and wicked out, you know? And nobody wants that, right? So, oh, wait, this is resistance. Oh, no, wait, this. Oh, look. No, no. So how are we going to fix this? How are we going to fix this bad habit of doing this? Well, if you're in here, you short here, just give it to there. And that's all. Yeah, you don't want to get wicked, but look what happened. Yeah, you don't want that. You do not want that. This could have been a good like $1,600 day. But you know, I know I wasn't the only one too. A lot of people probably got bamboozled right here. So with Meta, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna give to you. I called Nvidia exactly what was gonna happen. Watch my last video, the day before this trading day. I called exactly. I said it was gonna go to 430 or 4, but yeah. But this was a big move. I'm not a psychic.